Question number 14. A 1.2 meters tall girl. So here one girl is her length is height is 1.2 meters. So the height of the girl is 1.2 meters. The girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in horizontal line at the height of 88.2. So this is the balloon. The height of the balloon from the ground is 88.2 meters. So by wind, the balloon is moving from here to here. The first position is here. It is moving in horizontal direction. The final position is here. Here the girl is, she is observing the balloon. So from the girl, the angle of elevation of the balloon from her height girl at any instant point is 60 degrees. So starting, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. After some times again she observed the balloon. The angle of elevation is reduced to 30 degrees. So first she observed balloon, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. After some times the balloon is moved from here to here. Again she observed the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. So this one is also told the height from the ground is 88.2 meters. So first you draw here the horizontal line. From here she is observing the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. This angle of elevation is 30 degrees. So first the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Second time she observed the angle of elevation is reduced to 30 degrees. So I am giving names A, B, C, B, E, F, G, H. So here the total, the height of the balloon from the ground is 88.2. So if we consider ABC triangle, we need only BC length. So the total length is 88.2. This one is 1.2 meters. So from 88.2, just to subtract 1.2, the remaining length is becomes, this one is 1.2 meters. The remaining length is 88.2 minus 1.2, that is 87 meters from here to here. So the length of BC is equals to 87 meters. Same here also, the length of DE is equals to, this length is 87 meters. So finally they are asking the distance traveled. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during interval. So we need to find the distance between these two. This one we don't know. I'm taking this one is x meters. From here to here we need to find out. So this length is x meters. This one also we can take x meters. The length of BD is equals to x meters. Let you take the length of AB is equals to y meters. AB length I am taking y. The length of BD is x. We need to find the value of x. So here write the given information first. The length of CG and length of EH. CG is equals to EH is equals to, that is given 88.2 meters. So we need only this length BC. Next this one you take AF is 1.2 meters. 1.2 meters. Now the length of BC and length of DE both are equal, 87. BC is equals to DE is equals to 88.2 minus 1.2, that is 87 meters. Next you take angles CAB is 60 degrees, angle CAB is equals to 60 degrees. Second one is angle EAD is equals to 30 degrees. Here also you can see two right angles. One is first triangle is ABC. Now consider triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, so the angle is 60 degrees. This one is opposite side. This is adjacent side. The ratio between opposite and adjacent is tan. So take tan 60. Tan 60 is equals to the length of BC by AB. Tan 60 value is root 3. BC is equals to 87. AB is equals to y. Y transpose to left side. Y is equals to 87 by root 3. Ratio lies root 3 by root 3. Therefore, y is equals to 87 into root 3 by 3. Cancel 3 2s are 6, 2 9s are 3 9s are 27. So y is equals to 29 root 3 meters. So this is the clue number 1. Next, to consider second right angle triangle, that is EDA or ADE. In triangle ADE, so this is 30 degrees. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent is tan. So tan 30 is equals to opposite DE by adjacent AD. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. This one is 87 x plus y. X. Now x plus y is equals to 87 root 3. This is our clues 2 from 1 and 2. So y value is 29 root 3. Should y is 29 root 3 here. X plus 29 root 3 is equals to 87 root 3. So x equals to 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3. So therefore x equals to, take root 3 common, 87 minus 29. Therefore x equals to 87 minus 29, that is equals to 858 root 3 meters. So the distance traveled by the balloon is 58 root 3 meters.